Justin here with Pine Acres RV and Stewiacke, and I got a super fresh arrival here for you guys. This is a 2025 Keystone Montana 381 TB, and you guys got to check out the inside of it. It's super awesome. Montana, she got the upgraded JBL on the outside, 2 awnings, and LED light bars underneath the awnings, tons of storage up front, and you got solid steps coming on up in. Come on inside, guys. All right. So when I said you were going to love this, I mean, it's got 2 frickin' bedrooms. How cool is that? And a loft up top for the kids. So you got tons of living space here. Island, 1-piece stainless steel sink, a huge Furrion oven, 3-burner stove, residential microwave, and a residential refrigerator. Smart TV, JBL sound system control unit, and you got a fireplace that'll throw out some heat on those chilly nights. Guys, so we also have the loft up here, so we'll go check this out. We'll grab you guys there for a second. Climb up. So you can sleep 2 kids up here comfortably. You also have a spot right there that you can mount a TV. And you have all kinds of storage up here for the kiddos. And an AC. Keep you nice and cool. Pass you back here. Over on the other side here, we do have a love seat. Power reclining, of course, with our cup holders. And we do have a nice table and chairs as well. Coming down here, we're in the spare bedroom, master bedroom, however you want to look at it. It's your trailer. You can do what you want with it. You got tons of his and hers closet space here. Queen size bed. Spot up there you can mount a TV. And then come back and you have your own private bathroom. 1-piece fiberglass shower. Anybody's shower in there, even if you're a giant. Tons of space around the toilet. And a neat feature I like is this actually kicks out so you have a rear bathroom entry to your unit. That's a pretty neat feature. Coming back up this way, and I mean, again, just look at the space in here. Beautiful, beautiful unit. We'll come up further this way. We do have a coffee nook. I don't know if I mentioned this, but you have a coffee nook with all kinds of storage around it as well. Coming up here to the master side of things. 1-piece fiberglass shower again. This one's a bit shorter, so the tall people might have to shower in the other one. Beautiful vanity, tons of space underneath there for storing things. We do have a nice medicine cabinet. And just on the other side here, which is kind of tight, can't really see without me closing the door. Here, let me see this for a second there. And I'll show you guys this. There you go. And tons of storage there for your towels and whatnot. Alrighty. Going on to the master bedroom. King size bed up here, so I guess this would technically be the master. You do have your phone charging hookups over there. Put your phones up on top of the windows. All kinds of space here for storing your clothes, TV if you want to put one there, and then you have a nice walk-in closet, and you prep for a washer and dryer in there, which means you can live in this thing. Folks, we got tons of new Montanas coming in. If you love this one, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke Exit 11, and don't forget to check out our website, www.pineacresrv.com.